So we have created expense item. What we are going to do now is the same. We will click on the component. You make a new file, and this file you call it expense item.css, item with capital I. You will have to copy the CSS code that's here. I'll pass it to you like this so that you can see. Maybe pause it and write it down. Now let's go back to the expense, and as you can see here, I've added a class name. So it's very simple. We're going to do expense-item for the date div. Normally everything is good. Our expense item here is the date, our expense item description is car insurance, and expense item price is 290 euros. And also I forgot to tell you that the expense item price and the expense item description is not 1 but 2 underscore, otherwise it will not work. So if we go on our web page here, it worked. We have the 28th of March, insurance car, and 290 euros circled in purple. It displays correctly. I will see you on the next